Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is related to section 80 IA deduction and section 80 HHC deduction. In the present case, there were two issues before the Ahmedabad IT80D bench. The first issue was that if the assessee is eligible for some deduction like section 80 IA subsection 9 as in the present case was there, can assessee at the same time claim for the same amount the deduction under other section also, that was section 80 HHC. The second issue was that if the assessee is engaged in manufacturing and letting out of insulated tanks, whether the income from letting out of insulated tanks will be considered as income under the head income from other sources or business income if the assessee main business is also the letting out of the insulated tanks. These both the issues have been taken up by Ahmedabad IT80D bench in the case of Inox India Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and another. This case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal, short notes 53, and the date of the judgment is 12th November 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2003, 2004 and the assessment year 2004-5. The facts of the case are like this. In the present case, the assessee is a company who is engaged in manufacturing and letting out of insulated tanks and related products, and the company sought for deduction under section 80 HHC and 80 IA. The assessee has claimed the deduction for the same amount under both the sections under section 80 IA and 80 HHC. When the assessment proceedings were going on, first of all, the assessee denied the exemption under both the sections at the same time, and the assessing officer added excise duty and sale tax to the total turnover while excluding lease from the business income and taking it to the head other income. When this matter came to the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal said that there is a direct connection between the lease rental income and business income, and the assessee should get the benefit of the income of the letting out of insulated tanks under the business head, and the assessee will be eligible for the deduction under section 80 IA subsection 9 is concerned. But at the same time, the CIT appeal said that the assessee cannot get the deduction under both the sections simultaneously if the assessee has claimed the deduction under section 80 IA subsection 9. So at the same time, he cannot claim the deduction under section 80 HHC. But according to the CIT appeal, since it was the main business of the assessee to manufacture the insulated tanks and giving them on lease, so income from giving them lease cannot be taken as other income, and the assessee has every right to take that income under the business income, and he will be allowed deduction under section 80 IA subsection 9. But at the same time, the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer that the assessee cannot get the benefit of both the sections for the same amount under section 80 HHC and 80 IA. When the assessee went to the tribunal, the tribunal said that in the present case, the lease rent should not be counted for 80 HHC deduction simultaneously, and as far as the lease rental income is concerned, that whether that income should be taken as income from other sources or as income from business income. So the assessee has the case in his favor, since it was the main activity of the assessee to manufacture and giving the insulated tanks on lease. So in the present case, the tribunal also upheld in favor of the assessee on one part, that the assessee will get the benefit of the lease rental under the head business income, but at the same time, the assessee was denied the deduction under both the sections of the same amount. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Inox India Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and then another. And this case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal Short Note 53. And the date of the judgment is 12th November 2024. Thank you, friends.